Hi, this is Jason Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube videos. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and go to this website, ytbvideolead.com, as you can see from that one, and then it will say that I'll put the link of the website in the description below, so then if you're not sure what it is, 100% it's there. So we've got the download the thing, YouTube download, and what we want to do is we're going to go to YouTube and find a quick video that will show you how easy it is to do. It all depends on the size of your the video and your internet speed and all that stuff. So we'll do that now. We'll do that now. The next thing to do is open up YouTube. It doesn't matter if it's a desktop version or whatever. So let me just pick this one because it's a quick 1 minute video. We'll click on where it says share, click copy. We'll close that page down and we'll go back to our YouTube video downloader one. Click on where it says paste URL. We've copied our link. Hit download, and it will come to this page. It will download video site. Then it will say what quality or format. It gives you different options: audio, video. We'll do that one. We'll convert it first and let it convert, and then press it again. But we can see it's downloading. If you click on download details, click on the details button. See, we can see how far is in. 1 minute left. Our file manager. And video there you can see Dan 1242, and that is how you download videos from YouTube for free. I hope this video was helpful and useful. If it was, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.